Assalamualaikum, welcome to Vocabgar. In today's video, we will learn daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. Let's start. मैं बच्चों को स्कूल से लाऊंगा. I will get the kids from school. I will get the kids from school. आपको अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. मुझे नौकरी मिल गई है. I have got a job. I have got a job. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट कब मिलेगा? When will I get my passport? When will I get my passport? क्या आप सब मेरे ख्यालात से मुत्तफिक हैं? Do you all agree with my ideas? Do you all agree with my ideas? ये मेरे लिए किसी मोजज़े से कम नहीं है. It's no less than a miracle for me. It's no less than a miracle for me. Miracle के मानी है मोजज़ा. जब मैं घर पहुंचा तो सब सो चुके थे. Everybody had slept when I arrived home. Everybody had slept when I arrived home. मैं इन दिनों अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English these days. I am learning English these days. मैं कुछ खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy something. I want to buy something. आपको कितना वक्त लगेगा? How long will you take? How long will you take? सुबह से बाहर जाने का एहसास हो रहा है. Feel like going out since morning. Feel like going out since morning. मैं उसे पुकारता रहा लेकिन वो नहीं आई. I kept calling her but she did not come. I kept calling her but she did not come. उसे नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया. He got fired of his job. He got fired of his job. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. मुझे कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है. I am not interested. I am not interested.